Hey everyone, let's make Scotch Fillet Steak with Pommes Aligot. It looks fancy, but it's totally doable at home. Boil one potato for 15 minutes, then mash it smooth. Add 30 ml of heavy cream, 10 grams of butter, and 50 grams of Happy Valley mozzarella cheese. Now for the red wine sauce, chop half a red onion, saute with 5 grams of butter, then add 60 ml beef stock, thyme, and 60 ml red wine. Simmer until it thickens. Heat oil in a pan, add your Scotch fillet, season with salt and black pepper. Cook for about 3 minutes per side. Add butter, garlic, and thyme to baste. Let it rest. Saute broccolini in a little oil, season, and cook for 3 minutes. Time to plate. Pommes Aligot first, then slice steak, drizzle the sauce, broccolini, and finish with black pepper. And there you have it, Scotch Fillet Steak with Pommes Aligot. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!